Hi, I'm Debanshi from Seezo. Engineering teams regularly integrate third-party components like SaaS tools, APIs, and cloud services. But every integration raises one key question. Is it safe to use? Answering that requires a third-party security review. Today, that process is largely manual, time-consuming, and difficult to scale, often turning security into a bottleneck. That's the problem Seezo's TPSR is designed to solve. In this video, I'll break down how Seezo helps you efficiently identify, assess, and manage risks across external vendors. When we run TPSR scans, it provides us with pertinent information on how we should proceed with each vendor. Seezo will organize all of these scans in a table format so that we can easily access the status of each vendor. So how do we run these scans? We can go ahead and create a new assessment by clicking on New TPSR at the top right of the screen, or in our case, use an existing file. Once we run the scan, we arrive at this page. The Security Requirements tab provides recommendations on how to securely integrate this vendor into your ecosystem. Now note that some of the requirements are for the vendor, and some of them may be for your company to consider to securely integrate that vendor product into your environment. A fixed status indicates that Seezo automatically identified, triaged, and resolved the suggestions during the scan. The Ranking tab indicates priority of risk, where a high ranking indicates high risk. If you hover over the question mark icon, you can receive more information on the requirement and citations. We can then proceed onto the Open Questions tab, organized by a certain category. We see that some of these questions are left open. If we wanted to change the status of that question, we have the option to Quick Assess, where it will provide us some questions to answer, and this feature will also triage in real time. The Security Controls tab provides a comprehensive security summary of the scan results from the document that was uploaded. The Product Research tab provides two options: the Vendor Recommended Security Configuration. These outline what the vendor recommends as best practice for secure use. We also have Vendor's Default Configuration. These are what is enabled by default when the product is set up. At the bottom right corner of each configuration, we can check out the citation. Now, if you click the Assessment Profile TPSR, it will take you to a separate tab and detail the specific rule sets Seezo follows for this particular assessment. To the left, we have the Assessment Verdict, where based on findings, Seezo suggests to either approve or reject working with the vendor, or it can indicate that you need more information before a final decision. As the user, you have the option to change the verdict once you get the information you need from the vendor. To do so, we can click on this, select the Change Verdict button at the bottom right corner. From there, I can change my status and input in a comment that I have received all necessary information from the vendor. I can go ahead and update the status. If there is a situation where we know certain rules that our customer cares about during the vendor assessment, we can fine-tune the workflows to approve and reject accordingly. Essentially, as we head back, we can see the list of vendors who are approved or rejected. Thank you for tuning in. For more information, feel free to reach out to us at hi@seezo.io and check out our demo on our website at seezo.io.